In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize YouTube videos using Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. If you've ever watched a long YouTube video and thought, I wish I could get the key points without sitting through the whole thing, you're in luck because Google Gemini can help with that. First off, to summarize a YouTube video using Google Gemini, you'll need the link to the video you want to summarize. It's super simple. Just navigate to the YouTube video you want, and in the address bar at the top of your browser, you can copy the web address or share link of the video. Right-click on the URL and select Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, you're going to want to open a new tab and head over to the Google Gemini website. Here's where the magic happens. If you don't already have an account, sign up or log in with your Google account. It's a quick and straightforward process. Once you're logged in, look for a text box or an input field where you can type in commands. This is where you will communicate with Google Gemini to request your summary. Now, here's the fun part. Type a prompt that specifies what you want. A good example is, summarize this YouTube video and give me the key points, and right next to it, paste the link you copied earlier. So your input might look something like this. Summarize this YouTube video and give me the key points. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=example. Make sure there's a space between your prompt and the link for clarity. After you've input your request, now all that's left to do is press Enter. Google Gemini will then take a moment to analyze the video content through the link you provided. You'll see it working behind the scenes, processing the information to generate your summary. After a short while, you should receive a concise summary of the video. This summary will highlight the key points, insights, and any important information you might have missed during the full viewing. If the summary isn't exactly what you were hoping for, don't fret. You can always tweak your prompt or ask for clarification or additional details. For example, if you need a more detailed explanation or different angles on the topic, you can rephrase your request accordingly. Remember, using Google Gemini to summarize videos is handy for students, busy professionals, or anyone who wants to save time while still staying informed. Instead of sifting through hours of content, you're able to get straight to the crux of the matter. So, just to recap the process, copy the link from YouTube, visit Google Gemini, log in, type your prompt along with the link, and hit Enter. It's that simple. I hope you found this guide helpful. Summarizing YouTube videos can enhance your productivity and allow you to absorb more information in less time. If you haven't already, consider giving Google Gemini a try for your next video summary. And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.